Okay, thank you. Okay, Officer Sagon.
Thank you, Second Officer Salon. That's much appreciated.
Ikaw na, sir. Sir, ikaw na, sir. Ikaw na.
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Good morning, Miss Captain, Chief Technical Officer Sagon. How's the radar picture looking?
We're not tendering consistent with the AAS targets. CPA for the two closest vessels is currently greater than 2 nautical miles. I've plotted their courses and speeds. Uh, in this scenario is AB, AB Velandes entered the bridge from the port wing. Sir, I just sighted a small vessel, a fishing vessel visually, wearing green, around 10 degrees relative. Distance look at 2 nautical miles. It shows on AIS. I cannot show it on AIS.
Not in the IS. Okay, Chief Officer Yungko, can you confirm on the radar? Second Officer Reyes, please double check on the radar settings. AB Vilandres, keep a close visual on the fishing vessel and report any changes of bearing and or aspect.
Yes, Captain. I have a weak target at the bearing and winter is quite small and it will be marked by sea cover. Radar settings appear normal, Captain. AS filter is off. The vessel is definitely not transmitted. Yeah, I Captain. Still bearing green. No significant change in the bearing yet. Look like might fishing, not maintaining its steady course.
Okay, right. Chief Officer Yungko, alter 5 degrees to starboard. Just a fractional measure to increase our closeness when approach. Second Officer Yungko, continue monitor the radar and EIS. Okay. AB Vilandres, keep your eyes glued to the fishing vessel. Let's work together on this situation.
Alternate course to starboard, 5 degrees. New course is 103. Sir. Monitoring Captain, the CP with the other AS targets remains satisfactory. Roger, Captain. Watching the fishing vessel closely. In a few minutes past, AB maintaining the lookout. Captain, the fishing vessel now in bearing 15 relative and it look like it start turning port. It seems to be heading in our general direction.
Okay. Chief Officer Yungko, increase speed by 1 knot. Second Officer Sagon, try to establish basic contact with the fishing vessel. Use the channel 16. Avis, Vilandres, keep reporting its movement. We need to be proactive on this situation, okay?
Aye, sir.
Over. Over you.
Increasing speed by 1 knot, Captain Chavez. New speed is 14 knots. Attempting to contact the fishing vessel on VHF channel 16. Fishing vessel in the vicinity. This is Virgin vessel NBC Bureau. Over. No response, Captain. Try again. Captain, it's still turning port. Bearing green in 20 now. Its line look like will cross our bow.
Okay, I see. Chief Officer Yungko, take manual control. Hard to starboard. Second Officer Sagon, sound 1 prone plus on the ship whistle. AB Vilandres, stand by to assist with any evasive maneuver on deck if needed. Let's communicate clearly and execute smoothly.
Taking manual control, hard to starboard, will release hard to starboard. Sounding one for long blast na captain. Still no response on Bridget.
Sound, check, check. Ang sound? Okay, sounding. Continue.
Standing by on deck, Captain.
Standing ba yung dick?
Okay, MB. Direction.
Nalit.
Dahil kasi pero
The MB Seeker being turning. Begins to turn sharply into the starboard. The fishing vessel passage close to the
Sila sa-
port bow.
Sila sa- Sila. Ba?
MB
Yatay.
kasi pero begins.
Begins then begins.
To turn.
Nalimot ko.
Okay, steady as she goes. Chief Officer Yungko, bring her back to the original course, carefully, 015. Second Officer Sagon, log this incident thoroughly, including the lack of EIS and immediate response from the fishing vessel. If you will this, you can now resume your lockout duties on the wing.
Steady as it goes. Captain Jarvis, bring her back in the original course. Captain Jarvis, I apologize. If my initial fatigue affected my alertness, this close call has been missing up.
Okay, Chief Officer Yungko, it happens to the best of us. But this equation highlights the importance of recognizing fatigue and speaking up. Second Officer Sagon, this also shows why we can never rely solely on the electronic aid. So this one lookout remains crucial. If you this, your sharp eyesight was invaluable in detecting the vessel early. This was a good example of how effective they are then. Their communication, their situational awareness, decisive leadership, and proactive team that prevent a potential collision. Let's learn from this and remain vigilant. Second Officer Sagon, perhaps you can arrange Chief Officer Yungko to take a short break after we clear this topic separation team.
Ay, sir, will do.
Understood, sir. I back to look out.
Ay, bakit?
I back to look out.